and I'm here to help guide you through the HEADSS assessment. So what is a HEADSS assessment? The HEADSS assessment is a psychosocial interview framework widely used in adolescent medicine. The acronym stands for Home Environment, Education and Employment, Activities, Drug Use, Sexuality, and Suicidality. Each category reflects a critical area of an adolescent's life and provides a systematic method to gather data, build rapport, and discuss potentially sensitive subjects. The main goal of the HEADSS assessment is to understand an adolescent's life circumstances, risk behaviours, and protective factors to identify any health or wellbeing needs that could be affected. The HEADSS assessment aims to establish trust between healthcare providers and clients, and it can also provide advice, guidance, and support tailored to the individual adolescent situation. Most of all, HEADSS assessment helps with elevating mental health. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use the assessment, however, it is commonly used by psychologists. Here's how to use the HEADSS assessment. The first step is to read the instructions and the procedure listed on the form. You'll then need to present the prompts with your client to facilitate effective conversation, noting down their responses. Finally, integrate these results within a treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the HEADSS, feel free to visit Carepatron.com where you can download and access the worksheet for free. You can also access the template through our platform. Simply filter by community and assessment and type in the keyword to find the note faster. You can also edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.